How to fix cannot allow microphone access to iPhone apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone access issues on your iPhone apps. So if you are already trying to record audio and make a call and your microphone isn't working, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's check the screen time restrictions. To do that, simply open the settings on your iPhone, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on screen time. Now in this section, you can see the option labeled content and privacy restriction. So simply tap on that. Now here, select microphone and ensure that it's set to allow changes. Alternatively, you can turn off content or privacy restriction completely. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to check microphone access for apps. So simply go back to the settings menu and from there simply tap on privacy and security. Now scroll down and tap on the option label microphone. Now here you will see a list of apps that have requested microphone access. So if an app has access but isn't working, just toggle it off and then back on to reset permissions. And if an app doesn't appear on the list, let's move to the next step. So the step 3 is to restart your iPhone. So go back to the settings menu and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on general. Now here in the general section you can see the shutdown button at the bottom. So simply tap on that. And after that you can simply power your phone back and check if the issues have resolved. And now at step 4 you need to reinstall the problematic apps. So in the settings, simply go to the general and here simply tap on iPhone storage, and from there simply scroll down and find the app that's having microphone issues. For example, let's say Snapchat. So you can tap on it and offload the app to clear cache and temporary files. And after that you can simply reinstall the app from the App Store, and after following the steps your microphone should be working properly. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.